Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a new blank workbook in Microsoft Excel. Follow these simple steps to get started with your new workbook. First, ensure that Microsoft Excel is open on your computer. If you need help opening Excel, refer to our previous video on how to open Microsoft Excel in your computer. In the Backstage View of Microsoft Excel, click on the New tab on the left side of the screen. Under the New section, you will see various template options. Click on the Blank Workbook icon to create a new workbook. Your new blank workbook is now ready for you to start entering data and utilizing Excel's powerful features. With your new workbook open, you can begin organizing your data, performing calculations, and creating charts to analyze your information. To recap, open Excel, navigate to the New tab, and select Blank Workbook to get started. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor.